Jenna, what are you doing?
It's
Are you feeding Alexa?
yeah.
You're doing a good job. Give her more. She's hungry. Give her some more.
Choo-choo.
You're doing a choo-choo.
Garbage. Garbage.
It's a garbage truck. Good job, Jenna.
Eggplant.
Alexa, is that yummy? What is she eating, Jenna?
Pigeon.
What kind of food are you feeding her?
Carrot.
Carrots? What else is in there? You don't know? How about applesauce?
Applesauce coming.
Applesauce coming. Can you do a choo-choo train for Alexa?
Yeah.
Wash the table.
Okay.
Okay.
Garbage choo-choo. Wash. I feed it.
Good job, Jenna. Is she all done?
No more.
No, she's gonna have more. Alexa, is that good food? Alexa, is that good? Alexa, there's nothing on the spoon, Jenna. You're not giving her any food. All done. Say goodbye. Say bye-bye.
Bye.
Can you wave and blow a kiss?